Hello one and all. Today I am going to explain another one lab set of experiment in microcontroller, that is 7 segment display. Before going to explain a programming of 7 segment display and also a explaining of a demo, let's start how to use a stepwise by using a microcontroller 7 segment display. First, similarly to a previous experiment, we have to start same step. Keel micro version, you have to click on that. Keel microvision 4 and go to project. Here project is there, go to project and click on new vision project. Click on that and give any file name. I will give wxy as a file name. Save this file and after it will open a one dialog box. In that dialog box we have to click on LPC 2148, that is a processor board, so we have to use LPC 2148. Here is LPC 214. Click on that and OK. After click on that, it will show one setting that in similar to a software program, in software program we have to click no for startup.s project, but in hardware part we have to click on yes for startup.s project. So we have to click on that yes. After this, go to target, click on target and it will open one source group. Right click on source group. Here one column is there, add existing file to group source group 1. We have to click on that one. It will open a one dialog box. In that we have to do the program 7 segment display, that is count 0 to F. We have to click on count 0 to F. Add this file. Close. Already we type that program, it will be displaying this system, so we have to click on source exit. This is the program. Yeah, this is a 7 segment display of program. This is a 7 segment display. If you want one programming, if you want 1, B and C is the 1 and 2 means 2 indicates A, B, G, E, D and 3 A, B, C, G, C and D. This is the steps for 0 to 9 7 segment display. Now A to G indicates port 16, port 17, port 18 up to port 22 and dot indicates port 23. These are the set of 7 segment display in the processor that indicates as a port. Now select line for 7 segments. This is the display 1, display 2, display 3 for 28, 29 and so on up to 31 port. Now we are declaring a unsigned integer for delay of, if you want to jumping to 0 to 1, 1 to 2, we have to use delay function and initialize count should be a 0 and we have to switch to the another one 0 to 1 and like that we have to use switch count, that is initialize as a 0. Now this indicates this unsigned integer, the display hexa, it indicates the hexadecimal value for 16 hexadecimal. So for example, if you want A indicates, so for example 7 segment display 0 indicates A, B, C, D, E, F. A indicates how much? 16. B indicates how much? 17. Like that you have to use. This is the 7 segment display. Now coming to main function, here we are using a pin select and IO input output directory 0 to 0. This is a binary value. Now here we are using a while loop for infiniting the function, infiniting loop. So IO set for 0 to 0 0 and input output clear for 0 to 0 FFF. This is the hexadecimal function. Now we are using a loop function for delay is equal to 0 and delay is less than 100. Delay will be given as a 100 and delay will be increment because after 0 and it will increment it to 1 and 2, 3 simultaneously up to 9. Now we have to use IO select for switch count. Switch count indicates 0. We have to increase switch count means if you go for 1 it will be counted. Like that we have to use. Here delay 0 and delay up to 1 lakh and delay plus plus. Now switch count plus, we are indicating the count plus plus. If you want 0, next it will be incremented to 1 and again it will come for this loop and again if you use switch count again switch plus plus 1, 2, 3 up to 9 it will be displaying. If switch count is equal to 16, if and then if after F go to back to 0, again we have to go to 0. This is the procedure to execute the 7 segment display. After this, now we have to use here build function is there. See here, build function is there. Build, if you use F7, here see here, there are 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now after this, now after build this function, now go to target, right click on target and click on option for target 1. Click on that one. It will open a one dialog box. We have to set the we have to set this value to execute the program, and it will be dumped into the hardware part. So we are using a, here target is there. We have to click on target. In target there are two functions in ARM mode: use cross module optimization and use microlib. You have to click on use microlib and go to output. In output we have to, this is very important, we have to create a hex file to run the program. So we have to create a hex file. You have to click on create hex file, and next go to linker. In linker we have to use memory layout for target dialog. We have to click on this one. After this you have to click OK. Next again you have to build. Click on build or click F7 to build. See here, 0 error and 0 warning. He is creating the hex file. After this, next we have to start the hardware part. Go to FlashMagick. Click on FlashMagick. It will open a FlashMagick. There are 5 steps in FlashMagick. Step 1 indicates communication. The COM1, communication 1 is a default. You have to use COM1 only, and LPC2148 it is a default. We are already set that LPC2148, and baud rate should be 9600 and interface none, and oscillator should be 12 megahertz. This is step 1, which should be a default. And step 2, you have to click on erase or flash code. Next after this we'll later discuss about step 3. Next step 4 we should be, we have to click on both verify after programming and fill unused flash, and go to step 3, click on browse. We have created a WXY hex file. We have already created a hex file, so we have to click on that one. So open. Then finally, final step is we have to click on start. Yes, come here. This is the ARM7 LPC evaluation board. This is the processor board. Now we are using the click function and of ARM processor 4. Now this is the 7 segment display. Here, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the displaying the 7 segment display. See here, we are getting the output. 7 segment is here also. We will getting the output. This is the main program and main concept behind the 7 segment display. So these are all for the today's class. If you want any doubt, please message me in a comment box. Thank you, one and all.